everyone, we're Salsa with Silvia. My name is Luis.
I'm Andrea.
And we are going to go over week 2 syllabus of our cuddle positions and going into our step taps and the different foundations that we will go over, where different instructors might teach this differently. However, it will still be the same concept of teaching the leads and follows through every single step. As we go into our cuddle positions, we're going to be going into our half basic. We go 1, 2, 3, we prep our partner. Our right hand stays down and stays connected to the waist. As we turn 5, 6, 7, 8, we walk forward. 1, 2, 3, walk back. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we would just bring our partner out for their right turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then going into our basic step. Our other variation of walking forward is we switch our hands here. As we go here, I go 1, switch my hand on 2, prep 3, as for the other hand, and then it's going to be the same concept of bringing our partner around. My right hand is now going to be on their shoulder, where we go 5, 6, 7, 8, and we do the same thing here. We walk forward 1, 2, 3, 4, walk back 6, 7, 8, bring them out 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and then reconnect with your partner, okay? One of the things that's going to be important is making sure you're always prepping with your partner here as you're going into any turn, and then signaling for your follow to make sure you're going to go forward and you're going to go back.
So remember, it's very important to keep the connection with your partner. For example, in this position, when we are here, it's very important that your arms, they are not too far in, something like this, or like that. Always this position. Also, my arm is next to my partner. It's not here or here. This is perfect. Next to my partner to feel the lead. So I'm gonna feel his steps. So when we do this, I feel his lead and I can walk slowly, or just the simple basic 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we need to keep this connection, this distance to feel the lead, okay?
As we go into our different variations of our turns, when we are in cuddle positions, we'll go into some slide steps as we go into this. So I'm gonna break my basic 3, 4. I'm gonna slightly over rotate my partner for 5, 6, 7, 8. And what I'm going to do here is we're going to demonstrate that I'm going to take my foot forward. I'm not taking the step forward. I'm going to go show my foot here, bring it back, right? That's 1, 2, and then I step with my partner to then begin this rotation with my frame. To go 3, rotate 4. This is very important that I'm using my body and not my arms. And then I do the same thing here for I go 5, 6, bring them around 7, connect 8, and then we just bring our partner out 1, 2, 3, 4. Same concept goes as if we are going to go with opposite hands. So if I'm connecting with my partner here, I go 1, switch 2, bring it here, 4, connect 5, 6, 7, 8.
And when I spin, you need to spin with both feet together, okay? And if you want to add just something like styling, you can raise your leg. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we continue 5, 6, 7, and tap. This is just a styling. But the most important thing, you need to keep together your feet. If you don't keep like this, it's so difficult. This is step 1, 2. If I open, okay? So it's 1, 2, together, and just feel the lead and continue with the next step.
So now that we've gone into our cuddle positions, we're going to be talking about our step taps. Sometimes in the music will change where it goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then now we're on both the wrong timing. So it'll be very important for us to understand where we can switch that timing and how we can switch that timing. So we're gonna go over the same concept of our cuddle positions as you're gonna hear the counts. If I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now if I continue my counts for 1, 3, and then you hear the 1 come back again, then you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then continue your basic step for 5, 6, 7, 8, or for where the 1 is, right? So as we're going into the music, it will go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? We both are connected together where I'm going to step, my weight transfers, I tap my foot, and then we step and tap together.
So remember, especially when we're dancing bachata, we need to keep the connection with our partner. I need to feel his movements, his body. So in this step, I just follow, okay? I feel his lead, and look, I feel just the steps so I can continue with my basic steps when the music change, okay?
So as we're here, it would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 again. We would go 5, 6, 7, 8, so that my 1 is on my left as a lead, and then the right for the follow on 1 again. So as we bring it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, and basic 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's try this with music. So we're gonna start with our basic slow. The music has a little bit of the intro here. We keep our connection with our partner. Connect with our partner. We go and have basic step, basic. 5, 6, 7. Prep your partner up. Bring the hand to the waist forward and back and slow on the chord beats. 3, 5, 7, and bring them out. And 5, 6, 7. All right. Now we're going to be switching our connections with our hands. Here we go. 1, switch the hand, bring it over 7 and forward, and 3 and back. 6, 7, slow. 1, 3, 5, 7. Bring them out. 2, 3, and turn them and connect. 1 and 3. And now we're going to be going over our different variations of our cuddle positions. 5, 6, 7, and connect, rotate, connect, and rotate. Bring your partner out and connect. 6, 7, turn, basic. Right, so now we're going to be switching our hands here. And 1, and 3, and 5, 6, 7, connect, and turn, connect, and rotate, bring them out. And 3, and turn, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, right? And so now when we go into our step tap, it's going to be very simple here. 5, 6, 7, music changes. 3, and 5, and 7, bring your partner out, and turn 6, 7, 8.
So thank you for watching.
Make sure to check out our website online for all the classes, workshops, and our socials that we have every third Saturday of the month. And make sure to check us out on social media and Instagram.
See you next time.